Today I will show you how to use the automatic color changer. Warning: before you attach the two-color changer, you should insert the trigger which opens the jaws that take the feeding eyelet. It's not written in the instruction book, but if you don't attach it, you must open the jaws manually to take the eyelet. I found a package in one of the boxes and I think this is the trigger for the two-color changer. I won't use it because it is broken. In the video, I will open the jaws manually. Unfortunately, you can't use the trigger from the 4-color changer with the 2-color one. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. I couldn't find any information on this topic. Loosen the screws on the back bed of the machine and slide the color changer. The screw is made of two parts, or in other words, there is a smaller screw inside, so if you can't slide the color changer, take a screwdriver and loosen the inner part. Here you can see the screw close up. Now we must attach the needle bed extension plate. Loosen the two screws on the main bed and slide it. Finally, tighten the screws. To set up the color changer, pull the metal lever twice to the right. Both eyelet holders will pop up. Take the eyelet with the yarn which you will use first, insert it into the holder and press it down. Rub the end of the yarn in the notch on the lower right corner of the main bed. Pull the metal lever once to the right. Insert the eyelet with the second color and press it down. That's it. Now you can move the lock to change the color. If you move the lock slowly, the eyelet will fall. If you want to put the color changer out of work, pull the lever to the right and rotate the black locking disc towards the back of the machine. To make it work again, pull the lever and rotate the locking disc towards the front of the machine. Then you must set it up again. If you want to use the 4-color changer, loosen the two screws and remove the 2-color one. Take the trigger which opens the jaws and loosen the screws. Slide it on the rail of the back bed of the machine and tighten the screws. Then attach the 4-color changer and tighten the screws as well. Now, when you move the lock over the trigger, the jaws will open automatically to take the eyelet. Insert the first eyelet into the holder and rub the yarn into the notch. Push the black button under the second holder and pull the lever until it pops up. Then insert the second eyelet and rub the end of the yarn into the notch. Push the third button, pull the lever and insert the third eyelet. Repeat these steps to insert the last eyelet. The yarn must be arranged in the color changer the same way as it has been threaded into the machine, from left to right. Press the button under the color which you want to use and move the lock to the right. To change the color, push the button under any of the other colors and move the lock to the right. Now see the color changer close up. These black things are the buttons. Behind them there is a metal part. You can push it to reset the color changer. All the pressed buttons will pop up. Now I will show you one more thing. Reset the color changer by pushing the metal part. Choose two buttons and press them simultaneously. Pull the lever to the right until both holders pop up. Press the first one down, pull the lever once, then press down the second holder. Now you can use it like the two-color changer. You can choose any two colors you like. That's all for today. Hope you have a nice day and see you in my next video.